Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to use Facebook Messenger effects and filter on video calls. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the video call icon at the top right of your screen. Once you have entered your video call, you can see a smiley emoji to your left. Tap on it. Now you can see various effects and filter at the bottom of your screen. You can simply tap on it to apply it to your video call. Swipe the filter to your left in order to explore more of these effects. Not only that, but you can also change the background of your video calls. To do so, tap on the smiley emoji once again. Select background. Now you can change the background of your video calls by simply tapping on it. And that's it. This is how you use Facebook Messenger effects and filter on video calls. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.